Okay, let's do a little bit of foundation. So I'm gonna start by applying this Makeup Forever foundation. We've got the foundation on. Glossier made this really cool product, and it's a bronzer, but it's like a cream and a liquid at the same time. So I'm gonna just take it. Because it's a bronzer, it's not as like thick as if you were to use foundation or concealer, so it blends in really easily. You see that? It's blending. Getting this nice, beautiful reddish tone. And this brush is like a very fluffy moment. It's got a lot of density to it, which makes it really easy for me to blend this out. We're gonna add concealer. You already know this is Revlon concealer. We're gonna add a little bit in the center of the face. This is really a great concealer for anybody who has creasing under their eyes. So we're doing a bold lip today. This is from Lip Bar, and this is called Boss Lady. It's a red that makes your teeth look whiter, which we all love that. We love a red that makes our teeth look whiter. The applicator is like super precise, so you can get like really, really into the corners of the lip. I'm gonna add a different color. This one is called Brick House. It's like a brown red from Lip Bar that I really like. So we're gonna take this and apply it in the center of the lip. This is from Benefit again. We're gonna fill them in just a little bit. This one is from YSL. Really good mascara. I always clean off the mascara wand because I don't want too much product on there. And then that allows the brush to do the work it needs to do. You see this lash? You see how this lash is lashing? Okay, like literally this lash versus this lash, it's like I have no lashes and then I do. Okay, so that's it. I'm done with this makeup look. We are gonna go meet up with my really good friend, Portia. She's so fun. I'm so excited for you to meet her. And we're gonna be hanging out at Franz James Floral Shop. Let's go.